Hello everyone and welcome to Keeru's online lectures. I am Keera Jamtani and today's topic is Conic sections part 3. In part 1 we studied introduction and circle. In part 2 we studied about ellipse. In part 3 we are going to study parabola. Now, what is parabola basically? So, parabola is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from fixed line, and that fixed point that is not on the line, it is in the plane. The fixed line, like over here we can see this fixed line is called directrix of parabola, and fixed point, as we can see over here, this is called focus. Now, the word para means for and bola means throwing, that is the shape which is described when you throw ball in the air. Now, coming on to next topic, a line through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is axis of parabola. As we can see over here, this is directrix, the line perpendicular to the directrix is axis of parabola. Now, this is x axis of parabola, and the point of intersection of parabola with the axis is called vertex. So, this point is called vertex. Coming on to standard equations of parabola. So, as we can see over here, the axis, the parabola is on the x axis, therefore, the equation will become y square equal 4ax. When this parabola lies on the negative x axis, the equation becomes y square equal minus 4ax. The equation of directrix in first case is x is equals to minus a, because the a was positive over here. In second case, since a is negative, therefore, equation of directrix becomes x is equals to plus a. Coming on to next standard equations of parabola. So, we can see over here, this parabola is lying on y axis, therefore, the equation of parabola is x square equal 4ay. When it lies on negative y axis, equation of parabola becomes x square equals minus 4ay. Next is latus rectum. Now, what is basically latus rectum? So, latus rectum is the length, it is basically the line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So, as we can see, this is a line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So, this latus rectum, the length of latus rectum is given by 4a. So, this is all about the concept of parabola. Coming on to the question part. So, the first question is we have to find the coordinate of focus, axis of focus, axis, equation of directrix and latus rectum of the parabola. Now, since it is given y square equal 8x, the given equation involves y square. So, therefore, the axis of symmetry is along x axis. So, this is a parabola. So, this line will be equation of directrix. Now, we will compare this equation with y square equal 4ax. So, this can be written as 4 into 2 into x. Thus, on comparing first and second, the value of a is 2. Since the value of a is 2, so focus will be 2, 0. So, focus is 2, 0, and equation of directrix, it will be, since it is lying on positive x axis, so equation of directrix is x is equals to minus 2. Length of latus rectum, so length of latus rectum is given by 4a, so which is equals to 4 into 2, that is 8. Next question is we have to find equation of parabola with focus 2, 0. Now, this 2, 0 will lie on x axis. So, this indicates the parabola is symmetric to the x axis, So equation will become y square equal 4ax. Now a is 2 over here because this focus is given 2. So in place of a will write 2. Thus the equation will become y square equal 2x. In this equation of parabola, it is of the form y square equal 4ax. Since this directrix is equals to -2, therefore it indicates that this parabola lies on positive x axis. Coming on to next question, find the equation of parabola with vertex. Now vertex is given to us and focus at 0, 2. Now since the vertex is at 0, 0 and focus is at 0, 2. Now this focus is lying on y axis and the y axis is the axis of parabola. So obviously the equation of parabola will become x square equal 4ay. Substituting the value of a over here, so we will get 4 into 2 into y, which is equals to x square equals 8y. So this is required equation of parabola with vertex 0, 0 and focus 0, 2. Next question is, find equation of parabola which is symmetric about the y axis and passes through the point 2, -3. Since the parabola is symmetric about y axis and its vertex is at the origin, so the equation will be of the form x square equal 4ay, or it can be x square equal -4ay, where the sign depends on whether the parabola opens upwards or downwards. But the parabola passes through the point it is given in the question, that is 2, -3. So here we will substitute the value 2, -3. So this 2, -3 will indicate that this parabola is lying on, because these coordinates lies on 4th quadrant. So this will open downwards, therefore the equation of parabola will be -4ay. Substituting the values of x and y over here. So in place of x we will write 2, 2 square is 4, -4 into a and y is -3. So the value of a will come out to be 1/3. So this is the value of a. Thus equation of parabola will be x square equal -4ay. So 3x square equal -4y. This is required equation of parabola which is symmetric about the x axis and it passes through the point 2, -3. So in today's video we studied about the concepts of parabola and the questions related to it. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.